Ayibo, ubirthday boy uyakhala, umnini uyakhala, uma wakhe uyakhala, uma mncane uma mkhulu uyakhala. Kanti kwenzakalani Nkosi yami? Kukhulu okwenzakalayo kaMseleku because umntana uyasho lapho uMpumelelo ukuthi kuningi okwenzakalayo la engakuthandi Jehova. But except for the little juice that we had, the mere fact ukuthi wonke umuntu uyakhala, it kind of got me a bit emotional. I kind of felt sad. Umnini ekhala, and then he couldn't finish off his speech, which I felt like that was an important speech to be said over and above his speech saga Mpumelelo. I kind of felt like Mpumelelo was off key kancane, but I think he needed to say he needed to say what he needed to say. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Uthando Nesthembu. Sanibonani, Abshin molweni minjani? Hipokile hingongwina. So namuhla kana ngokuwa hina wa Uthando Nesthembu shula asithamise kange kahle. The birthday boy turns 50, and it looks like in this 50 he is just about appreciate umamkhulu was appreciating the fact that nangu baba ukhona uyaphila siyajabula. Then the rest of the people, they just it looked like there was a lot that needed to be discussed, and unfortunately the time was too little. Now people have to show up. Abanye seba late, maba late kanjalo umthombeni uyakwata ukuthi of all days you could have respected this day. But wonke umuntu they had izathu ukuthi why was I late? Each and every one of them. In fact, Uma Khumalo said that she did not think Guti she was late. She was actually on time, while the rest of the people think she was late. Uma Ngwabeyena was the last to arrive, and then OMC Ashu Guti, oh, was a while late. In my mind, when I'm looking at her face, I'm like, I'm sure Uti gahle upapa. Now she got in and she said this 50th birthday is like Mina, it's a farewell to me. I feel like kuningi okwenzakalayo, there's a lot of hurt and that is not being addressed. Nkosi yami kuningi, so much little time.